Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you issue a refund in Dubsado? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to issue a refund in Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you and your customer just can't come to an agreement, so maybe it's better to go ahead and issue a refund or a partial refund sometimes. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to issue a refund, it's going to be handled on the invoice level. So you need to go to the project, choose the project, go to the invoices, choose the invoice, and then issue the refund. So here on the left side, I'm going to click on projects. After that, I'm going to go ahead and choose the project. After that, up here on the top, you're going to click on invoices. Okay, so after you've opened up the invoice to issue a refund, up here on the top right, you're going to click on, and then you want to click on refund. Okay, one thing I want to let you know is that if you're issuing a refund through Stripe, it'll automatically go on the card. However, if you're issuing a refund like a check or something like that, or you're sending money back, this is just to log the refund in your Dubsado. Apart from that, you're going to have to issue the refund. So maybe write them a check or give them cash, and you will be able to notate that in the invoice. So first we're going to go ahead and choose a refund date. So that's going to be today, and the method. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and issue a check, and then let's go ahead and issue them a $100 refund. Okay, here you can go ahead and add notes. I would definitely recommend this because if you're going to reference back to this later, you know, we're humans, sometimes we forget. So customer was crying. Okay, internal note, $100 discount because client called stop. Okay, so once you filled all that out, go ahead and click on apply. Okay, now if we scroll down to the bottom, the refund is going to be notated right here. So the total is $14.99. They made their payments, and then we issued a $100 refund. So that's going to sit on that invoice if we need to reference back to it later. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to issue a refund to an invoice in your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.